Amazon Simple Storage Service S3. S3 is an object storage service that you can use to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time from anywhere on the web. It offers high scalability, data availability, security, and performance. Use cases. Customers of all sizes and industries can use S3 to store and protect any amount of data for a range of use cases. For example, data lakes, websites, mobile applications, backup and restore, archive, enterprise applications, IoT devices, and big data analytics. A bucket is a container for objects stored in S3. Every object is contained in a bucket. For example, if the object named puppy.jpg is stored in a bucket named Poonam in US West Oregon region, then it is addressable using the URL shown here. Objects are the fundamental entities stored in S3. Objects consist of object data and metadata. The data portion is opaque to S3. The metadata is a set of name-value pairs that describe the object. An object is uniquely identified within a bucket by a key and a version ID. Objects can range in size from 0 bytes up to 5 terabytes, and a single bucket can store an unlimited amount of data. Thank you. If you want to know more about various AWS services and AWS certification courses, reach out to us on the following links.